In this video, I'm going to show you how to register Carrier AC for warranty. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, which is carrier.com, and then on here you want to click on register my product at the top middle, and then it's going to take you to a separate page where it's going to ask you who you are. So if you're a dealer, you can log in over here. If you want to confirm, edit, or reprint an existing Carrier product registration, you can click on here. Or if you are a homeowner and it says over here, you can then register all your new Carrier equipment. So click on this one where it says click here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and basically complete all those 6 steps. Now the first thing you have to do is basically put in your serial number, your model number, your installation date, your brand, and then your category over here. So of course after you do that, you'll also have to type in your type of purchase and application type, and then you'll be able to go to the next step. Now of course you have to fill all this in. If you don't know how to find a serial number, you can just Google it for your specific AC, and it's going to show you how to get it. And then here you'll be able to then type in some more of your info, such as the equipment owner, so yourself, your equipment location, so where it's currently located, the dealer info, the warranty info, and then after all that, you'll be able to review it and submit it. And when you do that, you've successfully registered your Carrier AC for warranty. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.